Yo, get up. It's kind of a shame that we are just rushing our way to Fraser Island and then can't wait to camp in the wild. Well, all these resorts with own private pool we didn't even get to enjoy. Look at how nice this is. So just leaving the resort right now, and before heading into Fraser Island, we're going to take one more stop. Going to a tire shop. There's a Bob Jane on the way. Jay's car got one puncture on his way in or somewhere in the rest center, and we need to fix that before Fraser Island. He just put a plug on it for now, and then we're gonna see if they have time for us to do a better fix, better repair at this moment. Sunny day, it is really hot. I didn't check what the temperature is, but it is burning. And I'm already starting to have a wash line here now. So I'm going to switch the wash to my right hand so they even out. Bob's Jane. We had a good experience with Bob Jane in Dandenong back in Melbourne. I hope they're consistent. So what are we doing here? Patch the spare and clear the bead.
Fix that bead leak that I've had forever.
Forever. On passenger front, right?
Yeah. Left front. It only leaks when it's aired down. So I'm assuming it's a bead leak. It happened during the Simpson crossing. So. Only when aired down. So if I'm like air pressures are aired down for off-roading.
When it's been lowered down to 20 psi.
20 or under, it will leak.
Yeah.
But if it's over, like right now it's at 38, I think, it doesn't leak at all. Worst case, if you find where the leak is, we'll just do that spot.
Yeah.
But yeah.
What I'll do is once I disturb it, right, he's got to charge in the office.
Yeah, that's fine.
So once I pull off, what I'll do is I won't do it like that. I'll do it right off, clean it off. This is going to go to space, you know.
Right back into it, you know me.
Good on you, mate.
Thank you very much. I put this plug in, yeah.
Well, you've done a good job.
Thank you. So you wouldn't touch it?
I would touch it.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. Thank you. The spare is put at 40. Yeah, the spare is at 40. 38. Yeah, we're airing down soon anyway, so anywhere in that range.
And so the plug, he did a pretty good job, so... Yeah.
Oh, mate, Fraser's is awesome.
Yeah.
So it's the biggest sand island in the world. Big lake in the middle, you should love it.
Yeah.
Have you got your fishing rods?
No.
We're
not much of a
into
fish
fishing
here,
your head.
yes.
Do you like fish?
Yes. Yes.
Mate, I'm telling you,
Eating them, maybe? Yeah.
the tailor and the whiting are running at the moment. Okay. So if you take yourself a fishing rod
Right.
and surf off, fish off the beach, get yourself a decent whip rod, surf off the beach, mate, you'll catch tailor and whiting. Little whiting fluids, a little bit of lemon. Yummy. Best stuff out there. Awesome. No worries. Thanks, guys.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
the rest of your trip, okay?
Yeah, dude.
Thank you.
Before getting into Fraser Island, this is the last point for getting free drinkable water. We're gonna fill those water jerrys. So basically we need to buy vehicle permit for each vehicle and then camping for each vehicle as well. It comes down to 5 nights for 2 person, 2 cars, and then the barge is 100 something round trip for each vehicle. So it comes down to 400s for 5 days. we were offered two options basically because tide is coming up and we can't drive on Fraser Island East Coast anymore. So we were offered the option to either camp around Inskip, which is all those camps that we just passed by, or get on to Fraser Island and then camp at the most south campsite, which is usually pretty quiet. We decided to might as well just get onto the island first, and then so tomorrow we don't need to rush about anything.
Down here.
Okay. Yeah, so the most important thing about beach driving, tire pressures. This is where we drop our tire pressure so that we don't get bogged at Inskip. Alright, so we have aired down and heading towards the ferry. To come back again. It's really windy, but it's amazing. This is so cool. Ship is coming. Signal, of course, because although it is all for driving here, all road regulations still apply on the island, and there are police patrolling. The speed limit for the beach is 80, and then in the access road it's 30, I believe. Turning out to our first campsite tonight. Is it? Yeah. Kulului Creek, I think. Kulului. Look at the water. Isn't my shader? It's actually turquoise. So you connected a pipe through
One of the dirty ones.
Apologize first, it might be a bit spicy.
Oh yeah, now it's spicy.
Milk. Got a milk ready. How you doing? Are you done?